Hello, Jeffrey. Welcome after the weekend. I hope you enjoy your time and you spend some nice time with your friends and family. So, Monday and new tasks for today. If it's about the math, we are going to have an online lesson. So, I would like you to have your maths notebook with you and the pen to write, of course. Okay? If you feel like you would like to have some more maths challenges, you can always use mathematics, remember. And now English. So, have you seen the movie, the cartoon? Oh no, it was the movie about the monsters. So there was a company, or they ran the company, and they were supposed to scare the children. So you're going to do something similar now. So you are going to invent a monster and later on you will sell it. But the task for today is just to invent the monster. Think about its name, special features, the price as well. Describe your monster's personality and talents a bit, okay? And 3 reasons and examples why someone would want this monster. So, why is it so good that everyone would like to have it? And that's it for today. If it's about English, of course. So, if you don't have the printer, you can, of course, do it in your English notebook. So, no worries. Unit of inquiry, we discussed the rocks on Friday, so today we'll focus on minerals and we will discuss them during tomorrow's online lesson. So I would like you to read the text about minerals, as some information may be needed for tomorrow's lesson as well. And there will be one more task. After the lesson online, you will have a task connected with coloring and writing. That worksheet and the worksheet about monsters, the monster may be completed online. That's why I uploaded them not only to our main folder on Google Drive, but also into your folders. So we will be sure that that you will complete the worksheet there and no one else will use your answers. Okay? And I've got one more extra task as we are talking about rocks, minerals, crystals. So if you would like to have your own crystal, you can make one using sugar. That's all you need. Sugar and water and a jar and pencil. And might be something like that as well. So as you can see here, the instruction to grow your own sugar crystal is attached in the document. So don't forget to send me some photos when you grow your crystals, and I will publish them on ClassPage. And on Tuesday, I will also tell you what to do with the coal experiment you are probably having still at home. Okay, so see you at 10:30. It will be a nice meeting. I will have a short surprise for you. Okay, see you at 10:30. Bye.